Right guys, hello, welcome to today's video. It's quite exciting actually. I've got my dad with me who's holding the camera. We are off to, where are we off to? What's it called?
N.A.W.
N.A.W, it's a custom exhaust company because Dad's having a custom exhaust made for the Insignia. Now it's not like a catback exhaust, it's going from the, what's it called?
DPF.
The DPF filter.
Back, yeah.
Because it's a diesel, so we don't want to cut that out. It's going from there back. The standard car is a single exit and it's going to stainless twin exit. I think it's gaining like a 1/4 inch in diameter as well. So what we'll do, I've filmed us looking at the exhaust previously before we change it, and we'll switch that video on now and then we'll come back and then we'll be pretty much either there or on his way there. So looking underneath, this is the standard exhaust system that's in it originally. So explain to people, like, I didn't know because I've not got a diesel, but whereabouts are we coming from?
We're going to come down here.
Yeah.
So that's me death injector. So that's like it squirts into your exhaust system on a diesel.
Oh, what, to make it more eco-friendly?
Yeah,
right, okay,
for emissions purposes.
Yep.
That one unit there, I'm leaving that on and going from here.
Right, so the new one's going to be from here.
Yes.
Back, basically. Right,
leaving the front section, but having all this changed.
Yep.
So when it comes to here, I'm led to believe that it's going to come straight across.
Yep.
And then I'm going to have two pipes
split either side. Yeah. So did they get another trim?
No.
Or did they cut this one into shape?
They're going to cut it. They're going to cut it. He says he can cut it and make it as good as it looks, so you'll not know.
Yeah, so it'll look standard.
But you can buy these from Vauxhall and they're £125.
Just cut it.
Just for an extra cut out.
It's great, mate.
Yeah. So at this moment in time, it's got oval pipes. I'm thinking of round. So I'm gonna, when I go and see them next week, I'm gonna have another look.
You see what tips they've got?
Yeah, I'm thinking of 5-inch round.
Right, okay.
Maybe it's 4-inch round.
We'll see. Yeah. So like you were saying to me earlier, the main focus of you doing this is because you want the look of the twin pipes.
It's the look, yeah. It's not sound or anything. If there's any sound difference, it's a bonus. But for me, it's more when somebody's behind you, they go, oh, they're not standard.
Yeah. And you'll see that, and you can get like burnt tip and all that kind of stuff, can't you? And
I'm having they're like a roll tip, but if they roll in, they've got a chamfer.
Oh, right, okay.
So they're slightly different.
Like an angle.
Yeah, they're slightly different.
Right, okay. Right.
Unfortunately, they're more expensive ones, but
at least they look nicer.
You have to pay for taste.
Yeah. Oh God. That's all what it looks like originally. We'll go back now to real time and go and have a look at the new one. Right guys, so we're here now. I'll show you, I took some shots to do a little montage, but we'll show you the full finished setup. It looks absolutely gorgeous. We'll start underneath and I'll have a look. So like I said, we're coming from here back with it being a diesel. So you've got the bracket there, stainless steel all the way back, then comes round and then it splits off into 2 points here. There's no back box on this section, it just comes straight down. You've got the company logo here. You've got like a nice adjustable bracket to make sure it's strong. And it comes out and you've got these gorgeous tips here, and then which is dual exit. Now this original fascia here was just single exit, but they've adapted it so that it comes out. It looks like it come out of factory like that. Absolutely brilliant. How do you feel about it?
I love them, mate.
You love it?
Yeah. I think they look wicked.
When it's down, it looks...
It's a different car now.
It looks... It's noticeable, but it's not stupidly over the top.
No. Feel that.
Easy door when you're ready.
A little bit, yeah.
You're going to start it up?
We're not sounding.
It might not sound nothing at all.
Not even slightly.
Oh, there you go then.
I didn't expect it to.
No.
My missus had a go at me because she says, if you're doing it, why won't it sound different? I said,
it looks nicer.
What it sounds like. I love them.
Yeah.
They're clean, they look nice.
Yeah. Proper mean.
Yeah.
Lovely. Happy bunny. Right, we're back in Sheffield now, just dipping to N.A.W for a little bit, but we're going to end the video. A final verdict, how you feel about it?
I love them, mate. I think they look awesome.
Yeah.
Awesome. They don't look stock. That's the main thing.
No, and I sat behind them. To me, sat behind it, it looks like I'm just sat behind a performance version of that Insignia.
Yeah.
It don't look like somebody's stuck some massive muscles on him.
No.
It looks proper nice. The guys at N.A.W Automotive have done a really good job. You can be happy with it.
No, awesome.
So brilliant work. We were going to do like flyby shots and things like that, but it doesn't sound any different. But we knew that going in, to be honest.
Yeah.
But like you said, it was mainly the look and the reliability of it being a stainless exhaust now, and it's twin exit. So yeah, brilliant. So we'll end the video here, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe if you do enjoy any of the videos, be it my car, my dad's car, anything that we do. Click that little bell button so it reminds you when a fresh video goes on. And until next time, guys, like I always say, enjoy the rest of your day. Bye. Go on if you want to do it.